Very good evening to one and all. I am Dr. Saravanan, interventional cardiologist from KG Hospital, Coimbatore. So today I am going to give you a talk about the typical symptoms of chest pain and the atypical symptoms of chest pain. Majority of us have a doubt. So whether usually they have a doubt whether this is gas or indigestion or muscular pain. So how to differentiate it? So first let us come to typical chest pain, that is cardiac pain. Whether the chest pain is truly a heart problem or is it only a gas problem or a muscle problem. So truly heart problem, how it occurs is patients will usually have chest pain on exertion. That is, they will have chest pain while walking a few hundred meters, and once they take rest, the pain usually gets relieved. So any chest pain which is occurring with exertion and which is relieved by rest, or sublingual sorbitrate, that is a tablet which we keep under the tongue, that may be which is usually relieved, is usually a heart pain. Next, a pain which usually occurs during emotion. So emotional stress and anxiety pain occurs, and after that if it subsides, it is likely to be a cardiac pain. And next, chest pain which is usually accompanied by sweating, palpitations, that is the sensation of heart beating very fast, breathing difficulty, and giddiness or fainting. These are uses likely to be a typical chest pain, or what we call a heart pain, a pain which is related to the heart. This usually occurs commonly in males or men. Middle-aged men are the usual source of typical chest pain. But what is the drawback of these symptoms is, historically all the cardiac studies have always neglected three subgroups, that is elderly, women and diabetics. So in this, lot of people, usually all these symptoms usually pertain to middle-aged males. So but the atypical symptoms like extreme fatigue, they will say I feel very tired, doctor, I could not do the activities which I have been previously doing, or just fainting, they'll just suddenly faint and fall down, or left shoulder pain, or indigestion, they will have this. These are called atypical symptoms. Atypical cardiac symptoms are seen in three subsets: diabetics, females, and in the elderly age group above 70. These are the groups which are likely to have atypical chest pain. So pain which is localized to a muscle, this is like the patient says it is localized only in this part, it is aggravated by physical motion. So let's say while lifting my hand up I get the pain, and when I remove it, these are all mechanical chest pains, and these are all usually due to muscular causes. Next is gastritis, that usually the indigestion. After a heavy meal, patient feels this bloated and sense of discomfort. Once he takes a walk around the pair, that usually gets relieved, or it usually gets relieved by taking the usual gastric tablet. It is like pantocid or pantoprazole tablets. The pain usually gets relieved. Those are likely to be gastric symptoms. So pain which is localized to a particular place or which occurs after a heavy meal is likely to be a muscular pain or a gastric pain, whereas a pain which typically occurs on exertion, emotion, relieved by rest, or a sublingual tablet is more likely to be a heart pain. Thank you.